Hey, and welcome to CTTV Makes. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I think I finally got it. Okay, so today we're going to be making a perpetual motion machine. Now, first thing you're gonna need is a Cogglebox from Cogs. These will normally set you back around 47 years. But if you click the link in the description below, you can get a 10% discount. And that works out at about 42.3 years, which is amazing. Now I don't know how it works, but their company says that it's a box that is pre-programmed to maintain a protein conservation conjunction by utilizing up to one or more pre-programmed constituents. In lumpen proletariat terms, that basically means put a cog in and it will create energy in a non-depletable way. And because Cogs and Cogglebox are made by the same company, there's a complete synergy between the two. Now you should have heard of these, but if not, come out of your cave and crawl out from underneath your rock, because this is a cog. Collectible cogs can generate, harvest, and abstract energy endlessly. And the good folks at Cogs have generously donated this blind bag, randomly selected cog, for us to open so you can see how it's open. I've been wanting to do this all day, so if we open the epistemological envelope, we will find, let's have a look. Oh my gosh, yes, it is the Purple Privilege Shiny. And oh my god, I'm speechless. This is the one now. Oh my god, people, this is amazing. If you don't know, sorry, I'm just a little bit lost for words here. This is amazing. You can send this little sucker off for programming, which would normally take 8395, but it can reach the same level of programming in about 6570, which is an increase in productivity of 21.7%. And his programming is fully funded by its progenitors. You cannot argue with those stats. Okay, so let's take our new cog from Cogs, thank you guys, and we'll chuck it in. There you go. Let's chuck a few in. We'll chuck them all in. There we go. And there you have it. The cogs are making umweltschädlich energy. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to head on over to our Patreon page, where for just $2 a month, you can sponsor us, and we can keep on creating amazing content, and you'll be in the chance of winning this once-in-a-lifetime, one-off, mass-produced Cogs wall art. And you'll get your very own cog and Cogglebox.